Good morning. This is Carl. This is March 23rd, 2022. And my brother and me are at Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And this is just a regular Florida beach in March. And it's a little overcast and it's windy and it's a little cool. I don't know what the temperature, I'd say in the high 60s. But with the wind, it feels cold. Everybody has their jackets on. I'm pretty good. I mean, there's a guy without a shirt on. Some guy swimming out here I saw. So I thought he was. Maybe he said, a little choppy. Yeah, there he is. He's out there swimming. Some kid. Yeah, you could do that. The warm. It's not that cold. But it's not that warm either. But it's not that cold. And there's a lot of people down there in the beach playing. And it's about in the morning. It's probably about 10 o'clock. We just came down from Ponte Vedra. We're working our way up. In Duval County, that's what we're doing this week. The beaches there's not a real long coastline. Now the beaches are pretty busy. And Ponte Vedra is actually in St. Johns County. But it goes up to Mayport and that's about it. And the next county is Nassau County, and that's the northernmost county in Florida. And we'll do that in a couple weeks. Today we're going to do Jacksonville and Jacksonville Beach and drive up to Mayport. I don't think we can get in. I know we can't get in, but we'll drive up around there and go into Jacksonville and tour some sites. But see that? There's my feet. There's the water. And that's pretty much it. A lot of people at the beach today. A lot of people. I mean, and it's not a beach day at all. In fact, my brother got a little cold and he's sitting in the car. But there it is, beautiful Florida, just everywhere you go. It's nice. We're gonna head over up the coast a little bit, and then we're gonna go to. No, it's my brother. I must have locked the car. But I'm headed up there now. But we're gonna go to up the beach a little ways. And go into Jacksonville. There's a few places I want to check out. And that's it. Talk to you later.